Abusia, Yewra John Mahama yen kontomponia to the point to say, even though he has life for power, none and saka to me no. Papa ne tia konwam eguso edi ntro e de kire Ghana for. Wo de tie video we. Video we tie ni yepa. Tie video we yepa. Tie.
1980s when we started the national electrification program. At that time, the population of much smaller than it is today. I think some 19 million or 18 million. Today we're 33 million. And it means that all our communities are expanding. And so if we take the example of the transformer in Ngwa, which was 22 years old, you can imagine that the transformer was installed 22 years ago. And since then, the community has expanded beyond the capacity of the transformer. That's why you have the lights being very unstable. And for many years, ECG and NEDCO have not done a mass replacement of transformers to upgrade the power of the transformers to be able to meet the growing demand in the communities. And so the minister made the request and cabinet approved it. The Minister of Finance came to the assistance of the Ministry of Energy and have acquired a lot of transformers for installation nationwide, currently 2,500 transformers. And so we're going to see stable power after this first phase. And like he said, after that, constantly we'll keep taking out the old transformers so that Ghana can have stable power. And so, like he said, I'll appeal to our people. The outages you are facing are not doom so. It is to enable you get better quality and stable power. But like he said, anytime they are going to replace transformers, to inform the people in the area so that they are aware that their lights are going to be put up for a while until the transformers are installed. One of the things that I'm happy about is a lot of these transformers are produced locally in Ghana. They are made in Ghana, transformers. And so it also helps to multiply the benefits that our country is making. I'm looking to the day where all our transformers will be produced locally and we'll be able to stabilize the power situation in our country. So well done, NEDCO.
Abusia for the tier as a video ya papa ye boy ya uti papa we ye president. This man is the first gentleman of the land who does not take Ghanaians serious at all. This man does not respect Ghanaians at all. Papa we o mugana for. Se uti asema papa ika ya. Before, almost ya kosombo ashe, so there is no light. That is good. Yati ase. Ye wo hwa ye sida bi enye kosombo na ashe. Na mom no eye transformers na ye den. Ye install eninti ama dumso aba. Na Mahama kwaji microphone kwajina Ghana for anim. After otumi ko akosombo ko ka kire Ghana for say ye kosombo na ahye na light eni ho no. Papa na kire something be gina Ghana for anim o ha ka kire Ghana for say the entire dumso aba ne say they are fixing meters on our high tension lights. Lies. Okay, Matthias here. Now, Papa, you can assembly or hire wahu. That makes you understand how this man is a liar. And or you be so din trona, he don't look into your face. The man is a fully liar. Or say, Omwato transformers omo be fixe ama ye light na gina na nan so ntie enye dum so. Tieni yo, to understand who is a liar, who penipo din tropa. Do you know what we do? You take what the person say and you see you balance and throw na what dino. And introduce or the car some no kind of no kure wom and then throw the car home. That makes you understand how the person can lie. papa ne ka asɛm bi ɔwɔ se ɔmo akɔtɔ ɔse we have procured, okay, you have procured yakɔ akɔtɔ transformers a yɛyɛ den yɛbɛ fix it. Na saa transformers na yɛba bɛ fix no nso no ɛyɛ made in Ghana transformers tio ɛntoro mmienu na ɛwɔ ha. Enti Mahama abra amanfo esu no, he went there to lie to Ghanaians and say ɔmo akɔtɔ meters, ɔmo akɔtɔ transformers na ɔmo kɔtɔ no ɔmo tɔ free Ghana producers or Ghana for ne produce transformer. One fancy ho ɔsɛn twa ntrɔ kan ho sɛ ɔmo transformers na ɔmo tɔ no ɔmo ahyɛda na ɔmo tɔ free Ghana for sɛ de bɛyɛ a Ghana for nkwadaa ebenya adwuma ayɛ. Minyaba de ma. Let me tell you on a point break, say, assembly out in John Mahama and his statement won't be a true. There is no single true in it. I'm coming to prove it to you. Trase. There is no single word. Assembly kukurenu papa we can war. The statement man no kure wom. Osanso kancho say nso na the sumo. Me baba boni video fufura ye the Minister of Energy, NDC Minister of Energy, or Kasadi where those meters came from. Now watch them. A hefana or modi meters ni creating yuma. Who is the producer of those meters in the country? Now I'm Mahama be country say procurement process ben or use ya within that shortest possible time. Otumi award or contract for somebody to supply 2,500 transformers in just 3 days. The man is a liar. Uhu mi ache pa enokure betenema ba midija enaba. Meso se like a video no. Faunsa esi adoma no so. Ai. But modern na faunsa so si like no so. Unsubscribe ya subscribe to this channel. Na beka ye ho. Follow me on Facebook, also follow me. Ras Media near YouTube and on Facebook. Listen to the next video and compare it to what Yura Mahama and Kasankasa Ekaye. This man is the energy minister of the same administration. Tiasemoka.
What we've been working on is to really invest. And I had a meeting with your management and I asked them, what can we do to help you? They said across the country, they need to replace some 480 or so transformers because they are old, they are obsolete, or they are overloaded. And if the transformer is overloaded, it will keep tripping. It will keep failing. So we need to replace that transformer or inject another transformer to reduce the load. So I said, you need 500? He said, yes. I said, we'll give you 2,500 transformers. And let me put this on record. These are not so-called transformers that we inherited. These are transformers that we are procuring under this government. Your MD is also procuring some. But we are helping you and injecting more capital. That takes me to Ashanti region and Kumasi in particular. I'm not here to do politics. I work as a professional, even though I'm a politician. And I serve my party. My party's interest is very important for me. I won't hide that. And that's why I tell you, the engineers, if you want to do politics, resign and join us. Because your job is that.
But you tell you, party, I saw Papa can have. Sa Papa, wait, I saw more can ye. I saw men or can have. One say, and throw you know. Hey, yes, it's a who can't throw. It is difficult for you to defend yourself because you will never and never remember what you have said. Video na midi kan bochira ono mimi bari mai a wutie me nyanto wase so hey Yura Mahama na chi ha no ma transformers were on the floor sa transformers we nyina wo ho ena papa na ka say omo akwa akoto sesi ya video ya me bochira wo ha ya abu Jinapor se Jinapor e ka say asembe no so ka enipa mienu we aye the energy minister ono ne brief the president about issues. And how come say the president is saying something and the minister is also saying something different. What is the difference here? John Mahama say, "Omo akoto meters ya begu ho omo install and intia dumso aba." Energy minister also say, "Afei na aban ne ba be ye procurement to say procurement to say procurement to me hunka, but to say afei na aban ne ba be to meters no." Yewura John Mahama so kasa ne na chi, yan wo se meters gu ho a o se omoto free Ghana for ensem. What is the truth of all this? That is the question that I'm asking you. Asem na me bisa on say, ensem bebreba a woti ye nyina no, de wo he na wo believe say eye the truth of all. Me ba de ma. E ma na nye onwonwa. E ma na nye onwonwa kura. The reality of the fact and say meters na ye ka ho asem no. Those meters were sansem na ye ka say containers bi ayira ECG containers ayira no. These were containers that were containing these transformers. In fact, listen to this video here. Listen.
Okay, Bosum. Transformers akakaka na ye install sisi ya ni nyina ye den.
Nioma na na wo mo warehouse ni bia.
Nioma na na se container airport. Transformers akakaka na ye sisa wa high sisa. Cables na o mo ka.
Ni nyina ye sa mo nioma ni bia. Enye new transformers aye procure na say.
Yeah, na say transformer unim. Transformer
how long it takes.
How long it takes to manufacture one? It takes a longer time.
And a lot of the transformers being fixed now where DNA go harder.
Near your top, ana aba a container containers. And a minister can say be container say me adi ham 1 year.
Yes.
I was see a share near Casa Seminanisi. If you say so be we are,
I was see a funny packer.
Sadly, intimate koso. Cause container na nyawodia. See, I trust you ECG, I trust you ECG. And I make us say we see that say, Obibetimia auction, and Obibetimia you contain I trust you Ministry of Defense and a Ghana Forces.
That be on to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the unless say a man kuku sir.
Debbie.
Yes. But just one thing here, pa. This is the reality of the two things in Ankrofono Kaya. And some of you Mahama Kaya, as some Minister of Energy Kaya, or Asante Regional Sanka on your politics. It is completely lie. Or muyin kontumpo for. Admit and accept say your government nipa no odimanim ewo manum no oyen kontompo ni na brabani. He's always deceiving Ghanaians. So you can't catch them during the campaign time. Also, more amanyofo to say no John Mahama no. Edru say ye campaigner. No kura ne wo hokan enso yenka. No kura ne wo ho enso yenka. Entro no ene yebeka. So we knew who this man was, and we know how he is today. On sisai, ni identity no edashe yonoa, enkontompone nabraba, deceiving, a very strong and wise and intelligent and smart deceiver. Any you that John that Dramani Mahama. Containers no, mobile ne wo ho. Transformers, you came and met it. Obine to, yeah. Nobody want you to say by force, say, ye buy ye babe to transformers, But don't come and tell us, say, Sabio. Wakwa koto transformers. Wamagana fumpo na ye. And now you hear, you see how long it takes to build one transformer. Afei, on Mahama can seminar fan a consono. Afei na the Minister of Defense and Minister of Energy babe defend. They say transformers, afei na ye babe pato. But you guys are giving excuse to say The doomsaw is because of installation of transformers. Entibra, ask yourself and send me a new way, which is which. Me, on my own, what I can tell you is say, these guys are not doing nothing else rather than to deceive you from your head to your toe. And don't take NDC for jokes. They can deceive you. They can lie. They can make you feel, say, even Ukrano, Sabio, enye nipa ananse oba ene wo. Ene. So put that one in your mind. The NDC is a party of liars, deceivant, hypocrites, persemin kuminya greedy bastard, and my joining together to form a political party. A RAS Media GH on YouTube and on what? Facebook. Mesanso ewo TikTok. Wait me hwehwe na why day. Wa support to me ama me nema ekos. Abusiamfo amohwe me on Facebook. Wait me support to me by becoming a subscriber to my channel because me YouTube hwenim yaguno bet yeda so ebo adwuma no enkakra. Yento aso na yenko yanim na yentoko about different matters. The first matter is about the 24-hour economy. And ababa yasem. The enti ababa yasem ne say Tony ebo anwakwa ba yie pa. The enti ababa yasem ne say ne even after they have won the power, after one good year in power, still the NDC find it difficult to explain actually what is their policy. And well, Arimi, what to say? And the NDC they find it difficult even to explain what is the meaning of 24-hour economy. Ababa yasem ubisa na omo dia wo ha. Oka we ya na dia wo ha. Ufa de fa ha ya ne atene ha. Na ye tof, na ye sa, na ye bu ye pa. These people don't know what is it about. And now listen to these videos. In 3 good occasions, the NDC people were not able to what? Explain what